Like I said, as your hair gets longer, it's more labor intensive. You know, you definitely want to take care of your hair no matter what length it is. But as it gets longer, as some of you know, the maintenance does increase. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on to all my subs and what's up to all my noobs? And just in case you don't know what I am jibber-jabbering about, subs is short for subbies. And noobs is short for newbies. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is, honey, I'm about to break that down too. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, maybe for the fourth, for the fifth. Honey, we don't count numbers like that around here. We don't keep tabs. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and I want all of my noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today, I'm sorry. You know how I get around this time sometimes. So, if you check the title of the video, and if you're halfway initiated and know what's going on, you know what time it is. It is check-in time. We are going to check on my relaxed hair. We are going to check in on its health as well as the length, because you know we have a new length goal. That's right. We set some new goals and we're going to see if we have reached them already. So honey, sit back, relax, grab a little snack or whatever you need to get comfortable, because we're about to jump right into it, okay? Now how it works around these parts is first, we give, it's sort of like the hors d'oeuvres. That's how we sort of categorize it. So I start off with my products, if I tried anything new, if I tried anything old, if I did any type of change up in my lineup, this is when I tell it. Then we get to the meat and potatoes, honey. Honey, let me tell you, the meat and potatoes, that's the money shot. So with that being said, that's when I show my hair and, you know, reveal where it is, its status, so forth and so on. And then we give the benediction, pretty much. So it's A, B, and C. So let's get to A. And we are going to talk about the hair products. So for all of you that already know, I have my lineup of products and I don't pretty much change up with the lineup at all. Everything is working for me still. And I just relaxed my hair. And as you guys know, I relax my hair every 7 to 8 weeks. So I have been relaxing it every 8 weeks, and I just relaxed it last week, which was the 8th week. So on Relaxer Day, everything went well. And as I told you guys in the last video, the only thing that has really changed is the amount of products that I've been using. As far as I use just a little bit more conditioner, I use a little bit more leave-in conditioner as well. And that's pretty much it. Everything else, as far as the usage, is the same. I still blow dry with heat, and I still use my blow drying technique where I don't pull too much, you know, with the brush. I sort of hold it, then hold the hair dryer in place, just to sort of make sure I'm not stressing my hair out too much. You know, with all the pulling and the brushing and the this and the that, and voila. With that being said, all that is the same. So now that you've had that little bite to eat, again, that's called the hors d'oeuvres, the appetizers, the tapas, whatever country you in, you translate to what applies to you. But with that being said, that's pretty much the roundup as far as products. Now we are going to get to the main course. We are going to get to the meat and potatoes. We are going to get down with the get down and just, we're not going to hesitate no more. Like I stated in the beginning, we've had certain goals. We started at, the first goal was bra strap. The second goal was mid-back. And now we had the nerve, I mean the absolute temerity to try and reach waist length. Yes, we are not shy around here. We after a little bit of goading and a little arm wrestling, virtually, we decided to try for waist length because we were so close So close, we could almost taste it. The victory of getting to waist length. So we just gonna see, are we there yet? Have we reached our goal? Well, we are about to find out. Whoo! I'm sorry, I gotta get my Janet Jackson on and gain control. Anyway, so without any more fiddle faddling, without any more jibber jabbering, we are going to get right to it and show. I'm going to show y'all what I'm working with. Y'all know that I like to check the middle spot, make sure everything is hanging and swinging. Then we're going to come right back, do a little summary, a little altar call, and do the benediction. So with that being said, let's go. Okay, guys, so we did it. We did it. We strive for broad strap. Like I said, we got to mid length and now we are at waist length. Now, when I say waist length, I'm talking about your natural waist. My natural waist, that's where your ribs sort of end, and then you got that little space right before your hips start. So at my natural waist, we have just reached that perimeter. Guys, this is the longest my hair has ever been. It really has. Years ago, and again, that's in my Instagram pictures, I was pretty close, but not, not as close as I am now. Well, I've actually reached it now. But as I've said many times before, that was not my initial goal. But to look back and just see how my hair has grown in increments, it is amazing to go from hair loss to hair gain. And in addition to gaining inches, as far as length is concerned, I feel so blessed. I'm happy. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty happy. This is my happy face. No, who am I kidding? This is my happy face. This is my excited face. I am happy. You know, I had to get my Oprah happy on, okay? So that means I'm really happy. So with that being said, I am happy. We have reached our goal of waist length. And yeah, usually I prepare a little song, for bra strap length. We had a little ditty for that. And then we had a little mid-back length. I just threw that out there, then. But for this, I don't have any real song. I didn't really prepare anything. I figured, I do a song. We don't really need a song. We can just, end it right here and just know that we got to waist length. So I figure we can just be simple with this particular accomplishment. We don't have to sing any tunes for waist length. I figure why sing a song about getting to waist length? I mean, it's kind of an accomplishment, but who needs a song for growing your hair to waist length, growing your hair to waist length. We got 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 to waist length. Waist high. Waist high drive. We're at waist high. Waist high drive. We went from Broad Strap Street, went from Mid-Bank Lane. Now we're at waist length drive. Say it again. Now we're at waist length drive. Say it again. Now we're at waist. I don't think y'all hear me. I don't think y'all hear me. I don't think you hear me. I don't think y'all hear me. We have reached waist high drive. But y'all didn't want to hear me sing a song about that, right? No. Anyway, so we have reached waist high drive. You get the whole simply, you get all that, the Broad Strap Street, Mid-Bank Lane, a waist high drive. That's where we at. That's where we are. So with that being said, again, I am very happy. We have reached the goal. And now I am tapping out. I am tapping out. I don't want to go any further. I don't need to get to Tailbone Trail. I don't need to get to Backside Boulevard. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good with where I am, and I'm tapping out. So I tip my shower cap to all those whose hair is way longer than mine. Because like I said, as your hair gets longer, it's more labor intensive. You definitely want to take care of your hair no matter what length it is. But as it gets longer, as some of you know, the maintenance does increase. I think what's next on the menu, I think I'm going to do a cut. Like I had said before, I was going to cut it. So I'm going to cut it. And when I say cut, I mean to do a major trim. Maybe about 2 inches. I don't know. It's not going to be too major. It's going to be a minor, but major, if that makes any sense. But I'm going to do that and, keep up with my style and just keep it flowing and going. So I want to thank everyone for encouraging me on this journey. Again, the healthy hair that still continues. But as far as the length is concerned, I want to sincerely thank everybody for cheerleading me on. And you know how we do it around here. I just don't take all the cheerleading. We send out cheerleading to others as well, to encourage everybody on their journey. We've all had hiccups. We've all had setbacks. But honey, again, once you have those things in place as far as the stable basics, As far as good products and your mechanical part, the way that you handle your hair, the way you treat your hair, whether you use heat or not, definitely trimming your hair and having a trimming schedule, you will get both the health and the length that you want out of your hair journey. So with that being said, you know what time it is, what time of the program. This is the portion of the program where we flip the script. We turn the mic to all of you guys and anybody and everybody who wants to testify as far as their hair, where they are in their hair journey, as far as the growth, as far as the health, whether you want to try something new or whether you decided, you know what, DIY is not for me. I'm going to a professional to get my tresses together. Then honey, this is the moment you've been waiting for, because it is roll time. Yes, honey, it is roll call time. And what time it is roll call time? That is the time that anybody and everybody with a testimony or some type of hair tale to tell, honey, this is your moment. This is your moment in glory, and the spotlight is on you. So come to the front. Don't be shy. All those who do not want to say a word, honey, it's okay. You just keep on keeping on as far as getting your healthy hair growth on. But as far as everybody else, anybody who wants to tell what's going on in their hair life, we're talking hair life, okay? Nothing else. Please come to the front and tell away, because we will read what you are telling us and cheerlead on all of those who need some encouragement. All right? All right. Well, I told you this was not going to be long. I told you that this was going to be what it is. And so with that being said, I am very happy with this check-in. And so now we're going to check out. How about that? I think we should, honey. And so that's what we're about to do. So that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need y'all to come on back in here, because we're going to be talking about a lot of stuff. Not just hair either. We got some other stuff on the curriculum. So I need you to come on back for that. And so you got to come back for that. So you already know it's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. Whoop! So you come on back. All right. We are